Hello, welcome to this video. I will explain how to solve Where Are the Robots challenge, which is part of picoCTF Web Exploitation category. And the difficulty for this challenge is easy. Let's copy the given link to access the challenge. So if we will go through the challenge description, it is mentioned as, can you find the robots? So this is the challenge page. And there is no input field, and message is given as where are the robots. So like in case of few application, developer used to keep robots.txt page, which can disclose some hidden endpoints. So basically they used to define allow or disallow directory or file name in the robots.txt file. So let's see if for this application we have this robots.txt file or not. So we can just provide robots.txt at the end of the URL and load the page. So basically this page is accessible, and there is one endpoint present which is categorized as disallow. Also, sometime developer can disclose this robots.txt page in the view page source. So we can click on it, but in this case, it is not disclosing any endpoint here. So what we can do, we can copy this particular endpoint and we'll try to access. So we can see the flag value is disclosed here. So basically, we are able to access the robots.txt page, which disclosed a sensitive endpoint, which is having the flag value. It is important to note that presence of a robots.txt file is not a security issue, but if this page is accessible and if it contains any sensitive endpoint which should not be accessible to public user or unauthorized user, then we can consider robots.txt as a vulnerability. So let's copy this flag value and click on submit flag button. So challenge solved successfully. Thank you.